Hey guys, Corey here. Just want to do a quick training on how to message your list inside of GetResponse. If you're getting leads coming through already, what you want to do, you want to be able to communicate with your list. Um, I know some of you guys may see my emails maybe every day coming through. Like, oh, okay, why is Corey still messaging me and stuff like that? I'm already in the business, whatever. But what I do, as I'm getting leads in my business, sometimes people don't purchase right, purchase your offer right away. So what you do, you kind of want to remarket to them. Usually takes about at least 5 to 7 times for somebody to make a purchasing and buying decision. But you don't want it to always be you don't want it to always be a salesy pitch all the time. You want to put some value in there sometimes, and also some it could be some type of sales offers for them so that they can join the business. But if you're not mailing your list on a daily basis, people are not going to know who you are. They're not going to open up your emails because they don't know who you are. So what I want to do right here, I want to show you exactly how to message your list and do it. So this way you guys know how to do it from now on. Okay, so yeah, what you want to go to inside of GetResponse, you want to go to create newsletter here. So we're going to click on create newsletter. Okay. So when we create newsletter, you want to click new email creator. I don't touch HTML source editor at all. I mean, I don't know how to do that. I'm not technical like that. I like easy. So if you like easy and simple, we're going to get along perfect. So we're going to go to new email creator. Okay. And right here, guys, yeah, I have a few different emails that I do use, but the most one I use is my domain actually email. And here's the difference, guys. If I have a Gmail or iCloud or whatever, or if you have a Hotmail account, it's good for just starting out. But what you want to do in the future, you want to get yourself a domain email address because when you send your messages out, they're going to be able to uh, reach all of your people that subscribe um, into your get response. I'm not saying that having a free email account is great is bad, but the only thing is it's only going to be seen by so many people. So if you're just starting out, don't worry. Use your iCloud or your Gmail or whatever. I know when I was starting out, I used this, but then again, I said if I want to be a professional marketer, I want to be able to make sure my list sees my email. And how to do that, you can go to GoDaddy.com and you can go purchase yourself a personalized email. Okay, so for example, in my message name, so your message name and your subject name, honestly, they can be both the same thing, but your message name can be a reference, so you know which subject line you sent to that list. So let's say if I'm communicating to my list, and I want to talk to them um, about one of the offers that they saw, I may say, for my subject line, um, okay, it's already there. Did you see it? And honestly, I'll just keep it simple. Did you see it? I'm not going to message them right now because I already messaged them already for today. But this is just giving you guys an idea on what to use and how to do this. So we're going to click next. Okay. And I know it may look a little confusing here, guys, but don't let this confuse you at all. It's very simple. What I do, I like to start from scratch. I don't use any of these templates here. You can actually create your own template where he says my templates. You can actually make your own so you don't have to keep coming back in here and making them. But I want to show you how to do it from scratch. 9 times out of 10, I'm always coming back here starting from scratch anyways. So start from scratch, okay? And which one do you choose? I like to choose a blank template, okay? All right, so now that I have my pad up where I'm going to write, Okay, so how do I start, talking to my list? So on the side, you're going to see a couple tabs here. There's a My button, horizontal, text and image, and text block, image block, text block, pre-header. What I want to do, I want to go over, I want to click and drag text block over into the field here. Now it's going to give me some play where I can start typing, but I don't want to type anything yet. Okay. I know I came up in like Spanish or whatever, but that's fine. What I want to do, I want to go ahead and get rid of this right here. Okay. All right. So I got rid of that. I'm coming down here. I'm clicking. I'm dragging, and I'm getting rid of these words here. Okay. So now I have room where I can type. Now I can start typing to my list. So I may say, hey, um, and honestly, if you really want to, you can actually get really, really fancy and make it really personalized to your list. If you see the personalize right here, I can personalize it and put the first name. So even though it says first name, when you email this out to your list, it's gonna come up as their name, like Hey John, and you're gonna, because 9 times out of 10 people they see these emails coming through, like, oh hey, how does this guy know my name? And we collected all these emails, but when we hit personalize and we put this little code right here, it's going to read their name. It's actually going to put their name inside of it, based on whatever name they put inside their email account. So that's just a test. That's just something to show you guys real quick. I use that every once in a while. So I may put, you know what, let's go ahead and use that. Hey. So let's say it's Hey Sally or whatever. Did you see the video? Did you see the video? And did you see the video? Hey Sally, did you see the video? Did you see the video? Not sure what I want to write here. That's kind of funny. Did you see the video? More than likely, you did. So let me see. Did you see the video? More than likely, you did. More than likely you did. Just in case you didn't see. Okay, I can't type. Let me tell you, writing and doing a video is fun, but at the same time, puts you on the spot where you can't even type. Okay, just in case you didn't see the video on how you can earn up to 3,000, up to 3,000 in a single day. Okay, just in case you didn't see the video on how you can earn up to 3,000 in a single day, single day, single day. Single day. Check out this video here. Okay, nice and simple, right? Okay, hey Sally, did you see the video? More than likely you did. Just in case you didn't see the video on how you can earn up to 3,000 in a single day, check out this video here. So where it says video here, what I'm going to do, and what I highly recommend you do, I would honestly hyperlink this. Okay, what I mean by hyperlink it, I would take your whatever affiliate code that you have. I don't care if it's an iPass or Empowered Network. You take your affiliate ID and you take it and you you pretty much, you know what? Since I'm here, yeah. So 3,000 in a single day. Check out this video here. So what I'll do, I'll hyperlink this. I'll hyperlink this right here. And let's just say this is my affiliate ID right here. Yeah, that's my affiliate ID. I'll click OK. Let me put like .com or whatever. So I will click OK. So you see that now that it's blue? Okay, so now when people see your email, they'll be able to click on this link, and it'll take them right to back to the video where they can actually go back and take a look at the system, or you can actually send them to your blog. You can actually send them to back to your YouTube channel. You can send them anywhere just by putting a hyperlink in there. And then what I usually do, just to make it nice and simple, I put talk soon, Corey. Okay. Another thing I do, just so that people know me as well, like even though I said, make sure you're emailing your list on a daily basis so they know who you are. Also, add your picture in there. So when you guys listen, because when you add your picture in there, it lets your audience know, it lets the people that subscribe in your email know that you're a real person. You know, I mean, although we're sending emails out to a bunch of people here, I mean, imagine everybody, they start to resonate with your story, resonate with the message you're sending out, and imagine you don't put a picture there. They don't want to know who they're dealing with. I mean, when you go buy a TV from somebody or whatever, when you go to a store and you're checking out, it's not a robot there or whatever. It's a person. It's a live human being person. They're checking you out, or you're buying something from somebody live. So by you having your picture there, this is what I like to do. Okay, let me just go back. Show you how I did that again. Let me delete that. So I'm going to go over here to image block. Okay, image block over here. I'll take that image block and I'll drag it over here. You can actually put it to the top if you want, but with me, I like to put it at the bottom, message at the message at the top, and my picture at the bottom. And I'll go in, I click on message, I'll go to my images, okay, and I'll click one of my images here, okay, and I'll put that in my email. And of course, I'm not going to keep it that big, I know that kind of scares somebody. You'll see my pretty face there. Yeah, so I'll keep it like right there. And then what I'll do, I'll move this up a little bit with this. You see this little up and down, this little up and down arrow. I'll just move it up a little bit, kind of make it a little clean. All right, perfect. And then what I'll do, I'll backspace a little bit. Cool. All right, perfect. Hey, first name, well, we named it Sally. Hey, Sally, did you see the video? More than likely you did. Just in case you didn't, there we go. Just in case you didn't see the video on how you can earn up to 3,000 in a single day, check out this video right here. So what you want to do, you want to put your affiliate link. Your affiliate link is the link inside iPass. It's in the back office. If you go to Marketing Center, you should be able to find it. It's like a 5-7 digit code or whatever. If you've been in Empower more than 2 years, it's going to probably have your name, but it should just be like a 5 or 6, 7 digit number. That you actually take that whole link. I'm sorry, you take that whole link. You don't take your affiliate code. You take that whole link, and you go in there and you put it in this section here. But yeah, guys, I mean, you can go in here and you can model this after me. Just be creative. Another thing that I usually do, I also opt in, and this is really important if you guys want to be really successful. I also opt in to other successful people already in the industry, just to kind of see what they're sending to their people and things like that, so I can kind of model after them, and actually see what they're using, so I can kind of like not exactly copy, but put my own spin to it. You never just want to copy somebody. You just want to kind of put your own spin to it, because at the end of the day, guys, um, you're in business to learn from other people, but then again, don't copy somebody else because there's nobody like you. You're different from everybody. Just like everybody doesn't have the same fingerprint. I mean, you want to stand out totally different because if everybody's sending the same message to the same people that's probably on your list, it's gonna look kind of fishy. So go ahead and kind of just model somebody else's. If you guys want to opt into mine, that's totally fine. To see what I'm using, you guys are more than welcome to do that. So what I'm going to do, and it kind of gives you a little preview over here on your cell phone, how does it look coming up on somebody's cell phone. So that looks pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna hit next step. And like you see, these are all my campaigns, everybody on my list. Now I can take this and I can actually send this to everybody. You can actually uncheck which box you don't want to send it to. So yeah, I mean, I don't want to send it to everybody, but 1,700 people on my list, I can send it to everybody, or I can just uncheck every box. You don't need to send it to one. I'm not going to send this out, but that's pretty much it. If I hit send, that's how you send it. I'm not going to send it, but I hope that helped. If you guys got value and this definitely helped you, definitely email me back or message me on Facebook, whatever. And like I said, hope this helped. Let me know. Get back to me. Let me know if this helped, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.